everyone. In this video, I will going to solve this nice exponential radical problem. The equation we have root of 39 plus root of 3 over root of 12 raised to the power of 7. So let's get started the solution. In the first step, I will going to let x is equals to root of 39 plus root of 3 over root of 12. Here, I will going to split this 39 and this 12. So this equation turns to x is equals to root of 13 times 3 plus root over root of 4 times 3. Now next I will going to apply here the radical rule, that is n root of a times b can be written as n root of a times n root of b. So this equation turns to x is equals to root of 13 times root of 3 plus root of 3 over root of 4 times root of 3. Now next I will going to take common factor of root of 3. X is equals to root of 3 and here root of 13 is remaining plus here 1 is remaining. For root of 4 we have 2 times root of 3. Now here this and this is going to be cancelling out. So the next question we will get here, x is equals to root of 13 plus 1 over 2. Next, I will going to multiply to both the side because here this 2 is dividing. So it will going to be multiply both the side. 2 times x is equals to root of 13 plus 1 over 2 times 2. Here this and this is going to be cancelling out. So the next question we will get 2x is equals to root of 13 plus 1. Now, next I will going to take this positive 1 to the left hand side. 2x minus 1 is equals to root of 13. Now, for removing this root, I'm going to raise square both the side. Here this square and this will get cancelled. So the next question we will get here, that is 2x minus 1 whole to the power of 2 is equals to 13. Now in the next step, I will going to apply here the algebraic identity, that is a minus b whole to the power of 2 can be written as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here we have the a value and this is our b value. So this equation turns to 2x whole to the power of 2 minus 2 and 2x again and 1 plus 1 square is equals to 13. This will turn to 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 4 and x to the power of 2 minus 2 times 2, 4x plus 1 is equals to 13. Now in the next step, I will going to take this negative 4x and this positive 1 to the right hand side. So this equation turns to 4x square is equals to 4x plus 13 negative 1. And this will be equals to 4x square is equals to 4x. Here this plus 13 minus 1 is equals to plus 12. Next, I will going to take here common of 4. 4x square is equals to 4. Here x is remaining plus 4, 3 times is 12. Now this 4 is multiplying, so it will going to be divide both the side. This and this get cancelled, this and this get cancelled. So the x square we get here, that is x plus 3. To make this power to the 7, so from here I will going to raise square both this side. X plus 3 whole to the power of 2. And here this will be equals to x to the power of 4 is equals to, here we're going to apply the same algebra currently, but for the positive sign. This is our A and this is our B value. X squared plus 2 times x times 3 plus 3 to the power of 2. And this will be equals to x to the power of 4 is equals to x squared plus 2 3 times 6x plus 9. Now in replacement of this x squared, I'm going to plug in this value. So this equation turns to x to the power of 4 is equals to x plus 3 plus 6x plus 9. And now I'm going to add up the like term. X to the power of 4 and whole to the power of 2 is equals to 7x plus 12 and whole to the power of 2. Now again, here I'm going to apply the same algebraic identity. This is our A and this is our B value. So this equation turns to x to the power of 8 is equals to 7x and whole to the power of 2 plus 2 times 7x times 12 plus 12 to the power of 2. So this will be equals to x to the power of 8 is equals to 7 to the power of 2 is equals to 49 x squared. Plus 2 7 time and 7 12 time give us 168x plus 12 to the power of 2 is equals to 144. Now again I'm going to plug in here the x square value. X to the power of 8 is equals to 49. And the x square value we have x plus 3 plus 168x plus 144. Now I'm going to multiply this 49 with this bracket. So here x to the power of 8 is equals to 49x and 49 3 times give us 147 plus 168x plus 144. I'm going to add up the like terms here. X to the power of 8 is equals to this 49 and plus 168 is equals to 217x. Plus now this 147 plus 144 is equals to 291. Our aim is to find out the value x to the power of 7, but here we get the power of 8. So for that, I'm going to divide both the side by x. X to the power of 8 over x is equals to 217x plus 291 over x. Here we have one power. So according to the exponential rule, this will going to up and this will turn to x to the power of 8 minus 1 is equals to, here this 217 x divisible by with both this numerator 291 over x. Here this will going to be cancelled out. So the next expression we'll get x to the power of 7 is equals to 207 plus over x. And this I'm going to separate this to. So I'm going to write x to the power of 7 is equals to 217 plus 200 is 1 over x. Now next here, I want to plug in the value of 1 over x. So for that, as we know the x value, that is x is equals to root of 13 plus 1 over 2. To find out the value 1 over x, I'm going to do the cross multiplication. So this will turn to 2 over root of 13 plus 1 is equals to 1 over x. Now I'm going to plug in this 1 over x value here. X to the power of 7 is equals to 217 plus 291 times 2 over root of 13 plus 1. In the next step, I'm going to rationalize this denominator. So I'm going to write x to the power of 7 is equals to 217 plus 291 times 2 over root of 13 plus 1. I'm going to rationalize. So I'm going to write root of 13 negative 1 over root of 13 minus 1. I'm going to multiply this, so this will be equals to x to the power of 7 is equals to 217 plus 291. And this 2 I'm going to multiply with this root of 13 minus 1 over, here we have one positive value and one negative. So for that, I'm going to apply here the algebraic identity, that is a plus b times a minus b can be written as a square minus b square. Root of 13 whole to the power of 2 minus 1 to the power of 2. Here this and this is going to be. Now here I'm going to write x to the power of 7 is equals to 217 plus 291. And this I'm going to write same as over 13 minus 1. The next step, I will going to spread this 291. So I'm going to write x to the power of 7 is equals to 217 plus 3 times 97 times 2 times root of 13 minus 1 over 12 is remaining. The next step, I will going to multiply this 3 with this 2. So the next expression we will get x to the power of 7 is equals to 217 plus 6, 2, 3 times 97 into root of 13 minus 1 over 12. Now here this is going to be reduced to 2. Now I'm going to multiply this 97 with this bracket. So this will turn to x to the power of 7 is equals to 217 plus 97 root of 13 minus 97 one time give us 97 over 2. Now this 2 is with this both the numerators. I'm going to write x to the power of 7 is equals to 207 plus 97 root of 13 over 2 minus 97 over 2. Now first I'm going to rearrange this. X to the power of 7 is equals to 217. I'm going to arrange with 97 over 2 plus 97 root of 13 over 2. Now I'm going to take LCM. So this will turn to x to the power of 7 is equals to LCM we have 2 and 1 2 times and 2 times 217 is equals to 434. Now this 2 one time give us 2 and 197 time give us 97 plus 97 root of 13 over 2. Now this will be equals to x to the power of 7 is equals to 337 over 2 plus 97 root of 13 over 2. So here we get the final answer. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do hit the like button and please support my channel by subscribing it.